In 1961, when Kennedy spoke on the phone with Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev, they had a very tense conversation, after which he realized the following. In order to win the Cold War, it was necessary to permanently secure the status of the United States as a superpower for decades to come.